This is day one in Ohio. Day one. It is 7 degrees. We're expecting between 12 and 14 inches. That was the back of the house. This is the front. I want to see if I can get a closer look so you can see how much we got. Okay, open my window. There's an old grill right there. And if you can see how thick it is. There's my driveway. I mean, you can't see it. Thank God I have a garage. This is ridiculous. Bipolar state of Ohio. There's the wooden planks over there, the railroad ties. If you can see how thick the snow is on it. We're on a level 3.